So in the grass this morning, I stood there and I looked down and I saw this little fella. He looked up at me, completely confused, and said, "Hey, where's my mama?" So we've been on a journey to try to find his mama. I'm just keeping him away from that guy over there because, I don't know, he might eat him. So yeah, this guy is just like, this is the coolest stuff ever, I'm telling you. Hey buddy. Yeah, it's, say hi to everybody. Like and subscribe for more or something. What is that crap? You're gorgeous. Sure. I'm assuming we're probably gonna be bros forever, right? I mean, like, we're the best of friends right now, right? I mean, you just want to go drive around with me? You go 60 miles an hour instead of like 5? Nah, bro, you're too young yet. I can't do that yet. Find your mom, bro. Find her somewhere. Oh, I hear her. Mama, where's the nest? Where's your nest at, buddy? Oh. Is this maybe where you pooped before? Did you poop in here? Oh, there's no nest up there, buddy. Huh. Where are you from? Alright, we're gonna set you down. And here's what mommy does. Doggy's over there. Buddy, your mom's not coming to pick you up. You need a ride home? Again, where do you live? You can't tell me where you live. I can't take you home. There's no bird police to call. I can't. Yeah, Mom, get here, please. Yeah. Where's your nest? Where? Do you have an ID? Do you know your phone number? The address? Where you stayed? Anything? I know you're hungry. Feed me. Yeah, I'm hungry too. Okay, come here. Come on. Just hop on. We'll try to find something. We'll go find you something. No? Yes, this is something else. Hey, look, there's doo-doo right there. You don't need the ew. I guess I could record this for hours. I'm afraid to set you down, buddy. I feel like we've made a bond. Where's it at? Over there? Mama. We'll get there, buddy. It's not like I took this guy out of his stinking nest. Oh, man. This dude just showed up in between a pile of doo-doo and me. And now you're like, Mom, I hear her.